Hey, what's up?
Yeah.
We're gonna fry stuff today. There's a lot of debate on what's gonna be delicious, what's gonna be crap. We have about 8 pots of fryer oil going. Ramen should puff up a little bit. It's definitely gonna get nice and crispy. So if it's bubbling, that means there's still a bunch of water in it, right? Now I'm gonna add basil. Bet you guys are gonna like this.
You gotta pull the bottom off and put the bottom on the top, make a sandwich, and then bread the whole thing.
Like frosting in the middle?
Yeah, just like you eat it.
Just like you eat it, you know?
That's not how you guys eat cupcakes?
It's not, but it's smart. I don't know, I'm kind of 50-50 on this one. Ooh, that looks pretty yummy.
Not too bad though, but the frosting's nice and warm and gooey now. And the crispy shell. I mean, this may be the future of cupcakes.
It's kind of like a peach pie pocket. I know it doesn't look like it makes sense, but the egg will keep it all shiny. And it'll stop grease from flowing inside the dough, you know? Kind of like when you put egg wash on a pie or biscuit. Hopefully we got a little bit hotter oil.
Ham, cheese, Kraft singles by choice, and white bread. My mom used to make this when I was a kid. She would just dip it in like a French toast batter and then fry each side up like this in a pan.
Here, look, when you're frying stuff,
Yeah.
wet hand, dry hand. Grab this guy. Pouring out.
It's strangely good.
Pretty good, dude.
What the? Where did it go?
At Wajimaya, they have this Japanese thing. It's like a mashed potatoes and like little steamed vegetables fried in like a little croquet with this little Japanese sauce. Whew. This is the American version.
Sous vide steak at 55 for 2 hours. Now we're gonna deep fry it and eat it with Riley's potato balls.
This is the best way to sear a steak after you cook it sous vide.
Yeah, we're good.
We're gonna overcook them.
Coming out.
Like a fish fry batter, flour, baking soda, alcohol, like vodka. You need some sort of liquid to bind all the starch and all the flour. Alcohol is way more volatile than water, so it gets out of the crust or gets out of the batter a lot faster. Makes it a lighter batter, a crispier batter. All right, let's do cauliflower. It's gonna
Hot. It was like hot juice.
It was just in boiling oil.
Yeah, sure. There you go.
I've never actually had this deep fried. It's got like this crispy, delicious outside, plus all the goodness that is McDonald's to begin with.
All right, watch this. Just deep fry the egg yolk, right? Bread it, a little bit of breading. Dig them up, fry them. Golden and bready on the outside and crispy and gooey yolk in the inside. If you're gonna fry ice cream, the oil has to be super hot, super freaking hot.
Oh my gosh, I've been waiting all day for this right here.
Ben just made these bacon bits. You just run bacon through a grinder, duh. And now I'm putting bacon bits on the cinnamon rolls.
Frosting on top.
I'm definitely gonna put icing on it. Okay, here we go. It's only 300 degrees, so it shouldn't be too cray-cray. My favorite icing. Powdered sugar and milk. Whoa. Whoa. I think this might be the star of the show. I don't know, let's try it. That's special.
It looks like it has a halo.
That's insane. Sandwich
This is
off.
a deep fried sandwich off. Peanut butter and jelly, which is a very classic American sandwich, versus Hugh's.
Cheesy mite. It's cheese and Vegemite. Yeah, it's usually for brekkie, which is breakfast. It's very common. It's got cheese and butter on toast for brekkie.
It's looking pretty good, Hugh. Oh, dang. This is actually good deep fried though. Like I could get behind this for brekkie or
Brekkie, they're catching on. There you go.
I'm exhausted.
I think my favorite was Riley's sandwich.
The gooey bun with the bacon. S'more was a flop. It disappeared.
The marshmallow just disappeared.
Everyone liked a cupcake right off the bat.
I think the cauliflower was a hit too.
The PB&J.
It was
Breading on the
heavy,
bread.
but that's not what I didn't like. What I didn't like was the molten peanut butter and jelly was just like, it's too liquid.
We've got a lot of work to do on the ratios of PB&J and the sandwich and the, you know.
No, dude, the ratio of my PB&J is perfect.
I'm going heads down for like a
If
month
you
on
eat
that.
it at...
Okay?
They're not going to. We're done. We're done frying.
No, you're not.
Washed my glasses probably 5 or 6 times today. Can't see anything.
I love it just because I just get to put my head in there and just go, there's more
Perfect for
pomade, you
Riley's
know?
hair. Yeah.
Oh, let's get some PB&J on there.
It's disgusting.
It's very unlikely we'll start a fire.